Dr. Nichelle Gurley, specialized in prenatal, postpartum, and pediatric chiropractic care, along with prenatal and postpartum and fitness and rehab. We're going to go over how to foam roll the adductor. This is something that you'll want to be careful of if you have too much of a separation, diastasis recti, and notice you're doming. But if you don't, and you aren't too pregnant at this point, this is something that you can do on the foam roller. So we're going to roll out that adductor, which is also known as the groin, and you're going to make the foam roller go right alongside you, and then you'll open up your leg, and then from here you'll just use your arms. You can keep yourself up higher if you do have a little bit bigger of a bump at the time of doing this, and then roll all the way up to hit your pubic bone, and then roll all the way out to your knee. You can also play around with straightening your leg and going across, and then you can play around with actually opening up your knee and going back and forth. So bending that knee, opening up, and getting into that adductor. So again, going all the way up to that pubic bone, sometimes it's a little tighter there, and then to get out, come up onto your hands and push back. And that is foam rolling the adductors.